Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to practice going over our reading strategies again with another one of our favorite, Pete the Cat, A Pet for Pete by James Dean. Who remembers what an author is? Yep, the person that writes the words. And who remembers what an illustrator is? They draw the pictures. Great job. Pete is going to the, I'm not sure what that is, pet store. He is going to get a pet. Pete wants I don't know what that word is, so I can use my eagle eye to help me. I can look at my pictures of all these pets over here and think. It starts with the b, so you can use Lips the fish too. B. Yep, it's a bird. Pete wants a bird, which one of these animals starts with the sound? You got it, hamster. Or a lizard. Great job. But then Pete sees a, I don't know what that says, but I know this chunk, so I can use Chunky Monkey. I know this says fish, and I can use Lips the fish for the beginning word, goldfish. That's what I want, he tells his mom. Pete's mom gets fish food. I'm gonna call you Goldie, Pete says to his new pet. You're my first pet, Pete tells Goldie on the way home. Pete takes Goldie to his room. He feeds her fish food. Now what? Asks Pete. He can't play with Goldie. He can't, I don't know that word. So let's tap it out. This is a blend. When we have these two words together, they make one sound. Swim. He can't swim with her. Pete knows what he can do. Pete paints a picture of Goldie. He paints 4 fins and an orange tail. What a pretty painting, says Pete's mom. You can keep it, says Pete. Cool painting, says Bob. Can you paint one for me? Sure, says Pete. Pete paints a picture for Bob. Ow, wow, says Bob. It looks just like Goldie. Bob shows Pete's painting to his friend, Tom. Now Tom wants a painting too. Pete paints another picture of Goldie to take to school for show and tell. This is Goldie, my pet fish, Pete tells his class. Cute fish, cool colors, nice work. I wish, and it has the digraph sh at the end. I wish I had a picture of Goldie, says Benny. I'll make you one, says Pete. Everyone in Pete's class wants a painting of Goldie. Pete's, I don't know what that word is. I can use lips and eagle eye, g. And she looks like she is a little bit older because she has a cane. Pete's grandma wants a painting too. Pete has a lot to do. He has to feed Goldie. He has to do, I can use Chunky Monkey for this one. I know this word is home because that's on our word wall at school. And I know this says work because we do a lot of work in school. Homework. Oh, it's a compound word. He has to do homework. Pete paints and paints. He makes paintings for everyone on his list. At last, Pete is done. He worked hard. There is no paint left. Pete's paintings are a big hit. Pete is happy to be done. But Pete is not done. Now everyone in town wants a painting of Goldie. Pete gets more paint. I don't know what to do, he says to his mom. I wish I could paint pictures for everyone. I just don't have Timmy? No. So let me try flippy. Let's use that long vowel sound instead of a short. Time. I just don't have time. Pete's mom has an idea. She tells it to Pete. Great idea, says Pete. Pete gets right to it. This time he works outside and makes a huge painting. Honk, honk. That doesn't make sense, so I have to use flippy. And I remember in the song what says sometimes when two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking, so it makes a long sound. B-E-P. That makes sense. Beep, beep. Here comes Pete. He has made one painting of Goldie for everyone in town to enjoy. What a great day. When Pete gets home, he tells the real Goldie all about it. All right, boys and girls, so your job today is when you're reading on Raz Kids, I want you to record your voice and send it to me. Yesterday, Ella sent me a video of her reading on Raz Kids, and it was so great to hear her reading. She's doing such a great job. So I want to hear everybody read. I also got from Markley a reading, and that was fantastic too. So your job today, after you're done reading, when you're done with your reading on Raz Kids, take your exit ticket, circle your reading strategy you used, and write the word for me so I know what word you had a little trouble with today. All right, have a great day. If you need anything, you can text me or we'll see you in the classroom.